Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Saturday after New Year's, and getting some work done. So first focus on getting the floorboards in place. Make sure I've got enough room here to get my sink and toilet in place and so forth, and then get these tied down, start putting down flooring. I've decided I think I'm going to do that side first and come off that wall square, which will likely, because this board didn't end up straight, this one right here, I'll have a slight gap here that I'll just fill. But you know, that edge is pretty secure. There's a ton of beams under there to hold it, so I'm not concerned about it. But anyhow, got this huge freaking wallboard off the bottom over here. That one's rotted, so it's split out, but I'm gonna take the rest of these off gingerly once I get to that point. I'm gonna get the floor in place though, but having that up out of the way will help me get the floor down. Look at this. I don't know if you can tell. So this board isn't square yet. I'll show you when I get it tied in. I'm gonna make it square to the wall behind me, but you can just see here, you know, that's probably a 1.5 inch gap between the boards, and down here they're nearly snug. So that board is crooked under the house, and I've measured it every way, and just to make sure I'm not off, and for sure it's crooked. So matter of fact, you can even see this stud falls even with it, where the edge of the board is at the edge of the stud. And then you can see down there with you can see there the gap between the board and the stud. So and that's not a 3.5 inch 2x4 stud. That's a 3-inch stud. So anyhow, I'll bring you back in a minute and show you my progress.